Thank you, Aimable Karirima. Indeed, Rwanda is attending for the 6th time this 12th edition of an International Floriculture Trade Fair, which is taking place here in Amsterdam. It is one of the most important floriculture trade fairs in the world, as it connects growers and sellers from all over the world. Rwanda here is represented by 3 companies. There is a commercial company called the Bella Flowers, which is located in Rwamagana district, and it grows fresh cut flowers on 40 hectares in Rwamagana, but they are planning to expand to go up to 45 hectares. And then they have 18 varieties of roses that you can see here, and they employ 700 people. So it's an important company that is in the business of growing and exporting flowers. We are also represented by 2 other companies, NGOs, Oxfam Rwanda and Duhamic-ADRI, that are implementing the 4-year horticulture project from 2020 to 2024. They are supporting farmers in several districts of Rwanda, including Rulindo districts, where they ensure that those farmers increase their production, use new technology in order to have access to market. So we have 2 of them, 2 of those farmers who are coming from the Rulindo districts, who are here and who have benefited for the growing of flowers. And we need to recall that this flower business in Rwanda is very new because we have started in 2016, but the revenues for the country is really more than satisfactory, because it has we have over the 5 years, the past 5 years only, the revenues were multiplied by 5, more than 5. We from $1,243,000 US dollars to $6,853,000 US dollars. So it's a really growing sector of our agriculture, of our economy, and we really hope that with our participation in this kind of trade fair, and with the continued use of technology, and I would say also the change of mindset of Rwandans, both growers and consumers, I think this business will go far and will play a key role in our economy.
Thank you, Ambassador.
Thank you very much, Aimable Karirima.